Hi everyone! So sinamahan ko si Sushi today to pass her requirements for senior high school.
This is it, pansit!
Ito yun. Pagbigyan nyo na ang mamshi kasi excited lang. So dito na kami sa Lasal. Magsasubmit kami ng requirements ni Chelsea. Grabe, rush to. Nagmadali kami dito. Dapat pala nung 30 pa ipapass. Siya lang school, may escalator. Wow.
Tapos na si Chelsea. Makuna ng ID picture. We're going back.
Woo! Naka-enroll na sa STEM si Sushi. Hindi pala. Pass ng requirements. We're done. Quarter done. By the way, this is the Henry C. building. Kaya ang ganda niya. Grabe. Here. May escalator na, may elevator pa. Sulit. So nice. Ayun yung mga lifts. Yan. Elevators. The lifts. Tignan nyo naman, no. Ang shala naman talaga, oh. Inside the school, there's a Power Mac Center. Oh. Nice. And ito yung, siguro yung canteen. Yeah.
Mommy, did you take a receipt?
Yeah, I have it here. You can buy your laptop, iPad, iPhone, accessories here. Inside Lasal. I'm not going in because I already have what I need.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they're cats.
Oh, you cannot touch cats? Oh, here. Buy back books. Oh, there. There's an elevator. Power map. Hindi talaga maka. Dito ka bibili uniform. Ayan, dyan. Pero baka wala kayong uniform, Chelsea. You wanna buy, t-shirt? What is this? Clothes. Oh, you can buy, Oh, they also have, what do you call this? Oh, they have National Bookstore inside also. But, I thought it's closed. It's not. Wait lang. They have Pico, Piman.
Everyone's watching this.
Wow, feeling at coffee. What is this? Thank you for watching. Bye!